Welcome. In front of me is a NOKIA G11, and today I'll show you how you can capture a screenshot on this phone. So to get started, you want to open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be taking a screenshot of the home screen. So once your content is open and visible, you want to hold power key and the volume down at the same time. You will get this sound along with the pop-up right here to show you that you have captured your screenshot with the share and edit option. After a moment it disappears and that screenshot can be found in your Photos application, as you can see right over here. So that's the screenshot, and that is how you can capture it and also where you can find it. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.